Hello everyone, this is Maruf. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload business partner master data using Data Transfer Workbench. In my previous two DTW videos, I have shown you how to upload chart of accounts and how to upload item master data. So if you haven't watched them, please go to my channel and check those videos out. So in business partner master data, there are a couple of things that we will overview before uploading the templates. So we are going to upload some basic master data information on business partners. We are going to upload a customer and we are going to upload a vendor. We are going to upload the address information for each of those business partners and their contact persons as well. So the few things that we are going to upload is the business partner, their contact persons and addresses, and we also have to make sure that we upload the PAN number for the business partner, because we are using an India localized database, which is SBO demo UN, SBO demo IN. So if you're using a database such as of the US localization, you will not need to upload a PAN number. But for the Indian database, you have to upload the PAN number, and it is a mandatory activity. So let's close this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the templates first, and then I'm gonna show you my personal template that I have already customized, and I'm gonna try to upload them. Okay, so we are in the business partner master data folder in the template section of the Data Transfer Workbench templates, which is located in C drive. Excuse me. So the first thing that we are going to upload is this file. The template that we're going to use is this one, which is OCRD. Let's go open that up and see what we have here. So we have the card code, the card name, the card type, which is either C customer, that is of customer type, or C supplier, which is a vendor type. So we have group code as well, and a lot more information. We're not going to use all of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hide some of these fields in my custom template, and then I'm going to use that template to upload data. So we are going to need OCRD, and we are also going to need CRD1. So this is for the address information of the relevant custom or business partner. So we have the bill to and the ship to information. Bill to and the ship to information goes here. And then we have the fiscal tax ID, which is CRD7. This is particularly important for those databases that require tax information to be uploaded, where the tax information is mandatory. So for the Indian database, they're called PAN number. So that's the file we will need, and we are also going to upload OCPR, which is the contact person for each of the business partner. So I'm going to go back to my template. Alright, so this is my customized template for OCRD. So the things that I'm going to use are card code, which is a mandatory field, because, well, it already mentions this field is mandatory, and you will also need a card code before you can actually add a business partner. You need a card name as well, the card type. There are three valid values for this: customer, supplier, and LID, which stands for lead. So we're just going to keep it between customer and supplier, which is usually the real world example. And the group code, which is available in OCRG. So there is also a group code, just like the item group code. We also have a business partner group code. Now, if you are familiar with SQL once again, or if you're familiar with the query manager in SAP already, you can find the information from OCRG. And once again, I have shown this already in the item master upload video, but if you want to check it, let me show you one more time. So OCRG is the table. Let's go ahead and execute the query. This is where we have the group code. There are a bunch of group codes here as well as the group name, so you'll know which one to pick for your customer. I'm gonna change this actually to 100 and 101. Make sure they're all right. And the pay terms code is also available in the OCTG table. The pay terms code is this particular information. Let me show you where that is. Payment terms, and this is the pay terms information. So in the OCTG table, once again, if you go back and OCTG, so this is what that payment group code means. So -1 is cash basic, 1 and 2, whatever you have in your database, you're going to use from that. And if you need to add a group code as well, you're going to have to go to SAP and add a group before you can use that information for the business partner data. Okay, so we're using -1 for now, and the currency is pretty basic. It's the currency, and the withholding tax liable, we're gonna set that to no, so that's N for no and Y for yes. Okay, you can also use T no, so we're gonna use no for now. Okay, so I'm gonna save this file as a text file. Okay, so the next file that we're gonna open is the fiscal tax ID 1, so CRD7 in other words, and the only two things we are gonna need is the card code and the tax ID 0 column. We're not going to need these, so we can just hide them. Okay, so there you go. We don't need line number either, so we can hide that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this as a text file as well. Alright, close that, and then we're gonna go to BP address 1, business partner address, that's CRD1, which is the name of the table again. This workbook links to one or more sources if you trust links. Alright, update, continue. So a little bit of a message. You'll probably not get them initially. So anyway, same here as well. Card code information here. The address information is here. Street information, zip code, city, pretty basic. Country and state, we probably don't need this, so I'm gonna go ahead and hide that. And address type, this is important. So there are two types of valid values, so BO underscore ship to and BO underscore bill to. If you go to SAP Business One and go to addresses, you can see like there is a ship to information and pay to information. So ship from, ship to, pay to. So SAP recognizes this fields in the database as BO underscore ship to or BO underscore bill to. So we have for this C0540 customer type business partner, we have a ship to information as well as a bill to information, and for this vendor we only have a bill to information. So we have that. I'm gonna save this as a text file as well. Alright, so the last thing that we're going to add as well is the contact employees template. We have the card code one more time, the name of the contact employees, their designation, their addresses, their phone number, and their email. We don't need these columns, so I'm gonna go ahead and hide them as well and save it as a text file. Okay, so now that we have these 4 files, I'm gonna go ahead and try to import them to SAP Business One. This is the master data. Just like the previous videos, we're gonna add new data and go to business partner, select that. So make sure this is set at the correct format of the file. We're using text file, so business partners, this will be your OCRD, BP addresses, as you can probably tell, this will be our CRD1. The contact employees will be OCPR, and we need BP fiscal tax ID, which is CRD7. Now, I have mentioned this before. So, if you have a database where you do not require a business partner to have a tax number, this will not be required. Okay, so we click on next and next, and we run a simulation. So 2 business objects were imported successfully, 0 were not imported, so we have a successful upload there, and we're going to click on next and click on import. Right, finish. So C0540 and V0085 are our business partner. Let's go ahead and check if we have successfully uploaded them. So that's, excuse me, that's copy, and oh, that doesn't work like that. So C0540, I'm just gonna go ahead and type that, C0540, and click find. Service Solutions Private Limited. The vendor was V0085. Go ahead and search that. So this guy has a contact person and address. If you can remember, this only had a bill to information, and the payment terms is also set to cash basic, which was -1 in our case, and the currency is BDT. So we looks like we have all the information we were looking for. So that's it for business partner uploading using Data Transfer Workbench. I hope this video helped you. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If there's anything else you want to see next, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.